What was the old name of Mahabharat? A. Bharat Katha. B. Jaya Samhita. C. Kuru Vansh Katha. Correct answer is B. Jaya Samhita. Which state in India consumes the most water? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. What is the Central Bank of India? A. SBI. B. RBI. C. Bank of Baroda. Correct answer is B. RBI. Who is the most protected person in India? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Home Minister. Correct answer is A. Prime Minister. Which country does not have a single news channel? A. North Korea. B. Vatican City. C. Maldives. Correct answer is B. Vatican City. Which vitamin is found in soybeans? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B. Correct answer is C. Vitamin B. Which city in India is known as the Gateway? A. Mumbai. B. India Gate. C. Delhi Darwaja. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. Which country's currency note features an image of Lord Ganesha? A. Sri Lanka. B. Indonesia. C. Thailand. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Which river is called the Ganga of South India? A. Kaveri. B. Godavari. C. Krishna. Correct answer is A. Kaveri. Where is the purest water found in the world? A. Brazil. B. Canada. C. Finland. Correct answer is C. Finland. What is the most expensive substance in the world? A. Antimatter. B. Diamond. C. Platinum. Correct answer is A. Antimatter. Which country operates the highest number of trains? A. India. B. USA. C. China. Correct answer is B. USA. Which country has the strictest laws in the world? A. North Korea. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Singapore. Correct answer is C. Singapore. When did the British first come to India? A. 1608. B. 1498. C. 1757. Correct answer is A. 1608. Where is the Golden Temple located? A. Delhi. B. Amritsar. C. Patiala. Correct answer is B. Amritsar. Which bird lays the most eggs? A. Hen. B. Duck. C. Ostrich. Correct answer is C. Ostrich. When is World Oceans Day celebrated? A. the 5th of June. B. the 8th of June. C. 10 July. Correct answer is B. 8 June. Which is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Camel. C. Giraffe. Correct answer is C. Giraffe. Which country experiences the coldest weather? A. Russia. B. Canada. C. Antarctica. Correct answer is C. Antarctica. Which city is called the City of Temples? A. Kanchipuram. B. Varanasi. C. Ujjain. Correct answer is B. Varanasi.